Welcome my friends to the Eat to Be Alive challenge, and this is what the challenge looks like and feels like. So you have 5 days to eat alive. And what does that mean? That means that you're eating portion controlled, so your meals are the size of your two hands together, because your stomach is just as big. So then you are going to have 3 meals like this and 2 snacks in between like this, the size of your one hand. You have your plate together, put together, like 1/3 is your protein, 1/3 is your fruits and vegetables, and only 1/3 will be your rice, your potato, and your bread portion of your plate. You are avoiding fried food for 5 days, and you are focusing on, and your all fruits and vegetables are in between meals. Now, it's wonderful, even 2-3 pieces of fruit you can have in between as a snack, and you make sure that you are eating every 3 to 4 hours. Another challenge is that you are giving up all sweet drinks and sweetened drinks and soft drinks, and you are going to have 2.5 liters of water a day. And this is going to be distributed in a way that you are drinking 1/2 liter of water half an hour before your main meals and snacks, and this is going to give you the exact result what you need. If you are really struggling that you've been eating a lot of foods, then you may have psyllium husk, as it's called esphagol in this part of the world, psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon in 100 ml of water, which you can drink 5 minutes before your meal. This is a fiber which will extend in your stomach and keep you full, so you're eating less. So basically, it will take your body about 3 days to get used to this eating. So the full key is, if you can do that, if you put your plate together and you prepare for your entire day, you know what you're going to be eating, then once your plate is in front of you, that you believe yourself that whatever food is in front of you, it's enough. So you can just tell yourself that, yes, I know this food is enough for me. I know I am going through a temporary period of time to retrain my body to eat differently, and I want to experience how I feel. So basically, if you give yourself this little bit of a challenge, and then you can see that meal by meal you're going to be feeling differently. The high water content fruits and vegetables are a key point during these 5 days, and then you start eating less, which means your 2 hands. And it is going to be enough for you. Eat slowly, sit down when you eat, and you will see the difference. Plan every 3-4 hours you need to eat either a meal or a snack, no matter when is your waking hours are, and then you're going to be also sleeping. Now, day 6 is the top of the challenge, because this is the time when you can actually start eating whatever you want. And I challenge you, and on day 6, eat every fried food and oily food, whatever you want, and those are your favorites. And then you are going to be able to make up and distinguish and choose which way you want to go. You want to go back eating the old way, or you are going to be continuing to eating alive. So I invite you for this challenge, and see how you can feel within 5 days, and how your body can be resensitized to eating healthy foods, and from there you will be able to take the decision. Now I welcome you, and I invite you to share your experiences on Facebook and put up your meals and whatever you are eating. You will find a lot of people who will be joining in and helping you and inspire you to keep going. Now, if you are going to be able to exercise with that, it's fantastic. But basically, the Eating Alive challenge, it contains that. So please let me know if there is anything I can help you with. But this is the video, this is all the instruction what you need to eat alive. So happy eating alive, and I hope you guys join in and you let me know how you're doing. Thank you. See you. This was Dr. Ju.